Hello, Z's. Today we will be learning HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Now, this is the basic language for building web pages, which can be then launched into websites. So, the first thing that I'm going to teach you today is how to start a basic HTML document. We're not learning CSS right now. First, we're learning HTML. We're starting from the basics and we're building up. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is open Notepad or Notepad++. I have Notepad++ and Notepad, and I have a bunch of other apps for it too, but you guys don't have to worry about that. You can get Notepad++ at I think Notepad Notepad dash plus .org/download. So it's there, and you get the current version, which right now is version 6.8.8, and so you download that, and yeah. And then to start, you open up the document. You type. There are these little. They're called tags. That you make them with little brackets. So you start with an all caps exclamation mark doc type. Then the next part doesn't have to be in caps. HTML. Then you close the tag with another. What's it called? Oh my gosh, I can't remember the end of the tag. So then you hit enter. Then type in inside the same kind of tag HTML, no spaces, no anything, nothing special. Then hit enter again, and then we're gonna have a head. That's like controls what's at the top of the page, like not like on the page, like like stuff that you can't see, or there's only one thing that you can see, that's the title, but we'll go over that in maybe the next lesson, or maybe this lesson if we have time, because I can only record for 10 minutes. So anyways, you're going to type that in, which was head inside of the thing. Then you are going to hit enter. And then for right now, I guess we'll go over title. When you open a tab, it has a tab title, and that is what we're making right now. So put title inside the brackets. Choose a title. I'm going to do why sandwiches. No, not why sandwiches. I'll do HTML. Alright. And then what we're going to do is we're going to close the tag. You only do this with stuff. I'll explain it in a minute. So you do a bracket and a slash. Then you type in what bracket you're closing. So in this case, you type in /title. Then you close the bracket again. Then you hit enter. And then we're going to close the head here. We're going to hit the bracket, do /head, and then close the bracket. That's how you open and close brackets. And then we're going to hit enter after we close the bracket for head. And then we're going to type in a new bracket with body on the inside and hit enter. We're not going to close it yet. And so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to make a let's think. How about a paragraph first? No, not a paragraph. We'll do a heading because those are more important. So the heading will be, mine will be, what does HTML stand for? Now there's 6 types of heading. H1, which is the biggest heading. H2, next level down. H3, next level down. H4, next level down. They get smaller the more they go down. H5, the next level down, and H6 is the smallest. And then we open up we'll do H1. We'll open up H1 in the bracket, with the bracket, and then we'll type right next to the bracket what we want it to be. So I'm going to type, what does HTML stand for? Once I type that, I'm going to close the bracket the same way I closed all the other brackets. Okay, well, we're going to close it with the beginning of the bracket, a slash, and H1, and then another ending bracket thing. Hit enter, and now we'll make a paragraph to put inside of it. So to make a paragraph, all you have to do is make a new tag with P inside of it. Just the lowercase letter P. Then next to that, you type all your paragraph stuff and all that, and then you can close it with the bracket slash P bracket, and that ends the tag. The tags are the little pairs of things. The little, what I'm calling brackets right now, I'm going to start calling tags so that you guys understand what they are and that you can use the correct terminology whenever you want to use it. And the next thing I'm going to do, you probably won't remember this, we'll go over it in a later lesson, is the strong that makes stuff bold. So I'm just going to make the first letter of each part of HTML bold. So H hyper text, T text, I'm going to get the T in there, M markup, L language. And so to close my paragraph, I'll do what I've been doing for the rest. Close the tag with slash P after I put it inside the tag things. Yeah. And then, I guess it'll be the end of the video for today. We're going to hit enter one more time. And then put a tag that matches with the body tag. We're going to type in slash body inside of it. Hit enter again, and then make another tag and put slash HTML. And that is all we will be doing today. Visit me next time, and we will be doing more on HTML. We will be talking about, well, I haven't decided yet. We'll talk about it when we talk about it. Alright. Goodbye, Z's.